So in this video, let's learn how to integrate Avtaryug in iOS WebView. So before we begin with this, please ensure that the setup is complete. And now let's start with making the project. So go to Xcode. I'll search Xcode over here. And as the documentation suggests, you have to create a new Xcode project. So I'll just click on create a new project, make it as app, and next. So I'll name it as Avtaryug project 1 for now, and you can check that the interface and language is Swift and SwiftUI. So next, we have to specify the location where it is gonna be saved. So next, and create. Okay, so it will take some time to load the screen. Okay, so it's loaded now. Now let's refer to the documentation for the further steps. So now next step is we have to create some files. So yeah, so let's go to Xcode, right click on that Avtaryug project 1 and click on new file. Yeah, click on Swift file and next, and I'll name it similar as the documentation refers, that is API services. Copy this and paste it over here and the name and create. So once it's loaded, copy this code which is below that, yeah, this code, and paste it over here in that file, API services file. So we have to add certain variables over here, that is title and API key. So now I'll show where you can find that. So now go to your Avtaryug's project portal. Yeah, it's loading over here. Select the project which you want. Go in the configuration section in the left sidebar. In API features, you can find this subscription key. Copy that key. And paste it in that file. In the API services, paste it over API key, and in the in project title you can put your project ID. I have put mine. So now go to the documentation for the next step. It is like we have to create a new Swift file. So I'll just right click on Avtaryug project 1, new file, Swift file, and I'll name it the same as which is in documentation and create. And just copy this code and paste it over here. Yeah. The next is we have to now open the content view. So copy this code and go to the content view, you can see over here, and paste it over here. So we have to add a URL over here. I'll just put the link in the description about which URL you have to add over here. So add this URL over here and the rest is okay. Now the next step is we have to create a new Swift UI file. So let's copy this code first and right click on Avtaryug project 1, new file, and select Swift UI view. Next, and I will name it as AY Swift UI view. Okay, create, and below this code we have to paste that code of the documentation, this code. Yeah, so copy this code and paste it below this. Yeah, and we have to remove from this to this bracket, remove it and paste it over here from variable. Yeah, and remove these code remove this. Hmm. Check everything's okay or not. So it says cannot find. So remove this code. It's done. Now go to the documentation and copy this code from this much only. Copy and paste it from variable to this bracket in the Avtario project app file. It says something error. So, okay, so we have to change its name. So the file name is AY Swift file UI. So I have to copy this code, this name, and I will paste it over here. And yeah, it's done. Now just run this code. Yeah. So click on custom login for now. So this is the web cloud of Avtaryuk, which is successfully integrated into this iOS system. So now you can customize your avatars as per the presets and all. You can also create a new custom avatar. So here are some skins and props you can use to customize your own avatars. And that's it about it. Thank you.